You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's break down how to pronounce these two words that are from French originally. So let's hear how it is said in French. That'll give you a good baseline and understanding of why it's pronounced that way. Bourgeois, that's your top word. That's the person, one bourgeois, bourgeois. Now if there's several, it's actually the same, bourgeois. Bourgeoisie is the bottom word here. That's the class, the overall people, the bourgeoisie. Okay, so in English, it's essentially said rather similarly, but of course you can't really pronounce the French R, the R. So in English, it's said as bourgeois, bourgeois. Now in American, they would say bourgeois, maybe. But in English, the R is essentially silent. Bourgeois, bourgeois. The bottom word is bourgeoisie, bourgeoisie. Now in French, there's no real stress on any particular syllable. That's just how French is. That's why you can't really say bourgeoisie or bourgeoisie, bourgeoisie. Every syllable is about the same stress. Bourgeois, bourgeoisie. I hope now you've nailed it. Pretty sure you have. Let me know in the comments. See you soon for more pronunciations. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.